So what's up and welcome to the series when I'm unboxing the new stuff by CMF by Nothing. So in this episode, I'm going to be unboxing the Buds Pro. The box is just really nice. I really like how this box looks. Carefully open it without cutting myself open. There we go. There we go. So let's get right into it. We should have in here, let's see what this is. Spare buds, obviously. We're gonna get a user manual, which is different because every other thing had a round manual. This one has rectangles. Interesting. And we get a USB-C to A cable. This feels really cheap actually. That's okay. Now let's take a look at the case. So let's just get it open. Sorry, I don't really know how to do this ASMR thing. Does that help? Sure. Okay, so let's take a look at the thing itself. Okay, so this actually, I like this. It kind of looks like it's saying the hinge is shiny and there's a USB-C port. It's not that big actually. It's about this big. I'm gonna have to check how pocketable this is. But when we open it, okay, now that's unique. And we have a light right here. Magnet's quite nice. And let's take a look at the buds. So the bud itself, it looks okay. This reminds me of an AirPod Pro. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty similar in person. Pins here, and it's also supposed to have touch controls. This is right when I'm just gonna wear it real quick and see how this fits my ear. Okay, so the comfort is definitely there. I'm just gonna pair it with my phone and see how well it sounds. Just see when is it. Okay. Wait, what? Holy sh! Okay, so okay, this is amazing. So right now I have the fan on in my room. Moment I put these in, I cannot hear the fan anymore. I legit had to look up and see if the fan is still running. Like, I can hear the fan. Now I can't hear the fan again. So it takes a minute for it to recognize that it's in my ear. But wow, that's some really good ANC. Just first impressions, the fan gets absolutely muted. So the ear detection is working really well. I'm just gonna pair it with my device real quick and see how
Approximately 10 hours later.
This is setup button. I should probably have pressed that. It's really subtle. What do you call it? It's really flush with the surface. It doesn't come up at all. I'm gonna press it and see what happens. Now it doesn't really mention if I have to double tap or the what to pair it. Let's see. I'm just gonna long press it. And now it's red. Okay. Okay, also putting it back in, pretty satisfying. It's quite an interesting design choice they have made right here. Oh, I finally got Buds Pro. So apparently they both needed to be in there for me to connect them. But I'm gonna listen to one of my favorite songs. So I'm listening to the song and I have it in my ear right now. I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna remove it and the music pauses, and the moment I put it in, it resumes and the ANC kicks in. Alright, so I just finished listening to this song and I'm just gonna go out and say that the music quality is actually really good. Combined with the ANC, I really enjoyed listening to the song, and my expectations are high because I'm kind of a snob and I'm actually daily driving these. So these are the CCA CRAs, which are IEM, so these are in-ear monitors, so they have a really wide sound stage and all that, and these actually sound really good to me. The bass is not too heavy, it's really tastefully done, and the bass is, for me, I think personally, is just right. It's not too less, it's not too much to the point that it's like in my ear. I think that's honestly, that really ruins it for me. It's really tastefully done. So that's basically my first impressions for these, and obviously I'll spend a little more time with them and see how these perform. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and I'll catch you in the next one.